Wait a minute, so let me get this straight. Are y'all going on a rockstar band? Y'all
Yeah,
watch a movie,
really.
right?
Dude, we gotta go.
Well, bruh. Oh, goodness. Hey, I'll let y'all know that bubble's coming straight for y'all. I'm
Hey,
out.
bro, we're supposed to sleep.
Man, forget it. Let's go.
Hey, bro, what are we talking about? That bubble headed straight for me. I mean, what is gonna do? It's just perfect.
Bro, why Jerry keep sending me this? Yo. Bro, what am I, man? Are you serious? Bro, this movie? I might as well just stay here for self-defense. Or basically, because all my weapons is out there. Bro, I don't even have weapons on me. Man, I should have known I shouldn't bring my undercover taser with me.
Hey, buddy. See, I was kind of wondering, sorry about the house and all that stuff.
Bro, on me. You know there's a doorbell on there, right?
I kind of know that. See, I told Merc not to do the keychain part.
Bro, but anyway, what were y'all want?
We was going to the movies until I saw this bubble, right? So we're thinking, can we spend the night over here?
Yeah, like old times. In fact, what movie?
Wait a minute, ain't y'all the two main people that was rich and famous? Bro, y'all gonna be so embarrassed if y'all stand with me.
Well, this is what I get as a repayment. True friends like this, it's a really bad backstab.
I know, right? Like, what type of true friend are
Y'all
you?
playing with me, right? I know y'all doing. You know what? How about this? If Jerry gets here, don't tell him I invited
Don't
you.
worry, we're literally just gonna tell him that we actually snuck in the house.
But anyway, why you want to sleep here? I mean, don't you got a whole house? Didn't y'all say you gonna watch a movie without me anyways?
The bubble.
Bro, wait a minute, that's the fifth bubble that exploded. Man, who keep blowing them bubbles?
Look, I don't know. Can we just stay here?
Yeah, but for one day only. Y'all better find us somewhere to sleep, because you ain't sleeping here.
Dips in the couch. Sorry, Merc, but you gotta, sleep on the floor. Man.
3 days, Leadale.
Man, I can't believe you're the only person that didn't get ice cream. Sorry, bro.
Oh, yeah, I'm allergic to it anyways, bro. I'm allergic, bro. I don't care about y'all having ice cream and I don't. You know I'm allergic.
You said that while holding a granola bar.
Oh, you know me. That wasn't ice cream.
Dude, we was at Six Flags. Of course. You know it's ice cream. And that was definitely ice cream.
Man, whatever. Whatever. That was caramel flavored.
Yeah, with chocolate. Yeah, really.
Finally, we finally made it on time. The movie is saved. Let's
part is you actually missed the movie. Like, you literally missed the whole entire thing.
Now, Delirious Hickens. Ain't no way. You shouldn't have told me the movie started yesterday.
Hey man, my fault. Alright, my fault is. I didn't know, the bubble incident happened yesterday. I didn't want to go. I thought it was going to start tomorrow.
Yeah, alright, man. Yeah, okay, man. Yeah. Don't worry. You can bet that up right now. I can tell to your girl. Hey, Jeremiah, man, chill. It's just a movie. Yeah, most of the weirdest movies ever. You know what? Bet. I'm gonna ask if someone has that movie. Hey, Jerry. I feel sorry for how many arms he had to use, man.
Okay. So I have 20 fingers. 20 arms. Well, actually, I have 4 of them. What am I supposed to do with the other 2 arms I have?
There's this thing that's called Take 'Em Apart.
Hey, bro, shut up.
Yo, who watched that movie on the other day, bro? Man, I feel sorry they had to cut that movie off.
Yeah, that's crazy. But, dang, Jerry, how many arms? 4 of them?
Hey, Jay, what happened, bro?
Guys, I don't know, but I'm kind of scared of my own self. Because basically I have 4 arms. It's crazy.
Alright, who got the movie? I know where you have it. Okay, First of all, howdy. How's your day? Was it good? I don't care about how my day went. I want the movie now. Hey, bro, man. Just say. Hey, man, chill. Bro, hey, bro, hey. Bro, chill. And we were just talking this through. No, y'all think I was playing. No. Okay, tough guys. Listen, one of y'all better give up, or it's gonna be firing in this iPhone store. Hey, Jerry with the forearms, do something. What do you mean, hold up? Bro, dude, he got a gun.
Who knows? The orange might be important.
Yo, it's crazy because
Hey guys, I aimed so perfectly that I nearly just fired like 2 guns.
I heard, but what are you gonna do with the body? Well, I'm going with them. See y'all later. Hey, I'll see y'all later.
Now look at Derma for the tears of shame. Peace.
Wait a minute. You ain't going
Hold up.
anywhere.
Come on, you stupid thing. Come on. So we can't get feathers in the phone?
Man, I don't know. Hey, Jeremiah, you would not believe this. Yo! What did you do to you? Bro, he literally tried to rob us. I was finna tell him I have the movie. Yeah, I'm alive. Yeah, I've been alive. What y'all talking about? Wait a minute. How?
What?
Bro, how? Man, that's impossible. Man, how? Bro, you literally supposed to be dead. I mean, didn't the dude, you got like 100 bullets in you. I know y'all lost 2 words, but hey, when it comes to that movie, I'm alive, bro. I'm out of here. I'm in here, I mean. Anyway, let's go watch it.
Alright. I got a
Bro,
plan.
Steven, we're not stealing another phone.
Bro, come on, Jerry. Hey, bro, everybody okay? Heard gunshots over here. We're fine, definitely. Ain't that right, Steven?
Yeah. Better, fellas, you want a phone back? Let's take one. No. Dude, the place is finna close anyways. So?
I mean, bro, ain't that called stealing?
Oh, of course it's stealing. No, it's not stealing, I meant. It's basically borrowing the phone.
Guys!
Can't believe you're
Steven and Feathers, can you shut up? Can you believe Johnson's right here? You know, just for a fact that I was finna spend my money for you, Steven. But stealing? Nah, bro. You did the borrow trick on me and I almost got arrested.
So? The police don't get borrowed and just taking it a few days to give it back
Yeah,
to
you
them.
basically said that on the new iPhone that came out just the day before that day. And you literally just broke it. Bro, security is still looking for this phone to this day. Guys, I think we should not say that part out loud.
Well, at least I didn't plan on taking a new car.
Guys, stop talking about stealing and let's just borrow the phone.
Oh, didn't bring my money. I don't care. I got money. I can buy my own phone. Yeah, I'm about being dramatic. Y'all can be happy now.
Hey, bro. You are real funny with those pranks,
What's
bro.
going on, bro? Wonderful day we're having.
No, bro. Nah, bro. I am not giving $500,000. No. Look, bro. You're playing with me, and you're playing with me at the same time, bro.
All right. It says pay close attention. Oh, crap.
Don't you even think about reading the sign. You're coming with me. Well, guys. Hey, Steven. Oh, Steven like to do a prank too? Babe, you're coming with me too. Come on. So, Steven, how dead are we? Hey, bro, ain't gonna lie. I'm finna snitch on you.
Well, guys, I might see y'all later.
Guys, we don't have all day. Are you gonna buy a phone or you're not? Okay, I'll take one iPhone, please.
Number 13 Pro Max. Duh. All right, if you give me a good favor and wait for me outside, we'll get your phone.
You know, it's kind of crazy because this dude didn't ask for a case. Bro, Jit don't know that iPhones don't even need cases. I mean, they already got us. Wait a minute. Damn. Oh, I got a Samsung.
Man,
Oh,
Jerry,
okay.
bro.
You got a Samsung.
All right, bet. Wait in the car.
15 minutes, be there. Hey, bro, ain't gonna lie. You hate when you hear that cologne?
The crazy part is, now I can't find a key.
Wait a minute, bro, I don't understand. Y'all had another king?
All I can remember is there was just the king. Well, I don't know about your king yet, bro.
I'm so gonna be this color forever. Yo, fellas, tell your Jerry friend over here not to stare at me.
Oh,
Bro, it's the only way to keep you from hypnotizing yourself.
I mean, trust me, he's kind of right. It just felt weird. Can I use a mirror or something?
It counts when you're doing it on the mirror too, bro.
How about...
Phones as well? Yep.
Man, I can't stare to nothingness.
Don't worry, buddy. At least you're not like Bob and David.
Okay, true point, true point.
Anyway, hey, bro, wanna call someone? Alright, bet. I guess I'll see y'all later then.
Well, yeah, excuse me. I'm gonna take a little walk, if you know what I'm saying.
In the woods?
Trust me, I do this every night. It's creepy, but hey, I know my woods. Oh, I'm sorry, Jerry, but we're nowhere near your backyard. Bro, you gotta be kidding.
Wait a
Bro!
minute, I think I have your cure.
Not now, Moxie.
But I actually have his cure.
You want my color back, y'all. You really think I like being this color? I want to be purple too. I think we can switch, right? I know, just a person. Dude, you don't even know if she just switched your color or not. She might be creepy, but hey, I didn't know her. Come on, bro. Well, thank you for inviting me to your sleepover, I guess. For the last time, it's not a sleepover, it's a campsite. I don't even know why we're doing a campsite.
Okay, first of all, you stupid. You're stupid. And you're stupid. I am not trusting you, ever.
Listen, bro. It was just a spell. I did not know that can happen.
Now, what am I supposed to do with 4 orange right now?
Mm-hmm. Playing video games while you doing your homework?
That sounds like a very good idea.
Actually, you kind of might be right. I actually want to clone myself now.
Sorry, Jerry, but I do not know a thing about cloning. But I can give you a few orange or hand.
Bro, please say this stuff can come off.
Come with me, I might find you a spell.
Bro, please don't mess me up this time.
Well, this is just us. Literally had nothing to do. You're basically sitting in front of a campfire. Why do I got a scary story for you?
I have fun, but hey, Jerry, ain't gonna lie, would not listen to none of your scary stories. I literally have nightmares because of that.
Oh, me too, bro. Please not say a scary story. Please.
Okay. But if I don't get scared, I have to tell it anyway. Bet?
Bet, and I'll spit on it too.
Bet. Alright, go ahead.
Are
Tell
y'all
your story.
literally telling scary stories without me? Come on now.
Bro, can you hush? I'm trying to think. Alright, come on.
I didn't have one of my clowns.
You know, it's a good idea. I might take that.
Oh, come on now. You don't want to end up like you.
Trust me, he knows how to fight.
Well, fellas, tell your story before I think about mine.
Okay, once upon a...
Straight up taking this L.
The chance to explain my story.
Bro, ain't no once upon a time in the horror story.
They kind of have it on some of them.
And y'all stay benign in Los Santos, there's never no once upon a time in the horror story. Never!
You know what? Tell me. Go ahead and explain your story.
I'm out.
Okay, bet. Was that you got a scary story for us? Nope. Can't wait to hear it. Wait. What about...
Dude, you said a story about Bigfoot. And better yet, you copied, right? Garth.
Yes.
Great. Now I get to tell you my story.
So, Jerry, can you tell a scary story again? Man, let's go!
Bro, I know one thing. I'm not finna have that sleep. No beauty sleep for me, bro. None.
Oh, come on. It's gonna be triple the scariest of your lives.
Well, guys, fellas, you're sleeping with me tonight.
Guys, you ruined the moment.
You know, it's kind of crazy. You know, have y'all ever seen a red truck passing by?
No?
Well, y'all better be watching out for the red pickup, bro. Witness has been saying whoever seen a red pickup with red headlights, oh, you done for.
What happens if you don't? You see it?
Well, one day, this normal person drove his sedan like normal. Everything was fine until his car quit.
Oh, that's crazy.
Now, rule number 1, stay in the car. If you see something red, just duck.
What happens if you don't?
Oh, basically, the red truck will see you eye to eye and blow your car up. Basically.
That sounds like a T-Rex when he looks in someone's car.
Basically that. But anyway, rule number 2.
Wait a minute, are you basically gonna tell us a story?
I'm telling it. Hold up. But we gotta go to rule number 2 first. Anyway, rule number 2. Ignore the honking. Ignore any kind of knocks on your window.
Can I ask you no more questions? Dude, Feathers, chill. I'm here for you.
Anyway, Feathers, I'll definitely ask your questions after the story. How about that?
That sounds worse.
You always said that in a horror story. But anyway, that's better. Alright.
Wait a minute, can you answer my last question, please?
Alright, bet. For the honking,
Your car can literally just, be flown. And for the knocking, you'll literally be turned into a cube right now.
And what's gonna happen next?
well, basically, good luck living as an object. But anyway,
So, basically, the dude followed rule number 1. If you see something red, duck, right? But he didn't listen to rule number 2. For the knocking.
Is that how to do with some shadow figure?
No, it's worse. The truck has tentacles.
Wait a minute, so it's not a... How do you do with no kind of...
Can I explain my story, please?
Look, I'm from Maryland. You said you were going to ask a question. Bro, what I gotta ask Jared another question? I was literally going to turn you to stone until tomorrow.
Oh, shit.
Questions, sir.
Definitely.
Questions. Definitely no questions, bro.
bro, Feathers,
If you're so scared of my horror stories, why don't you ask for one?
I expect Tyler to get a story, not you.
Bro, sorry, Feathers, but you can't make up your mind. But I'm gonna continue.
That is just think of saying that word.
Okay, bro, I got you. Chill. Jeez, bro.
So basically, he didn't listen to rule number 2 with the knocking. So this dude rolled the window down because he thought it was a figure standing there.
What happened?
Now basically, the man started screaming because the only thing his final words were,
Deal.
I am never...
Just say it, buddy.
I never going out ever.
what do you mean ever? Bro, you eventually gotta come out anyway. I mean, you gotta look for some food.
Go. Get us some.
Bro, if I go, y'all go. It's a man's trip, bro.
Oliver was here for me so much. Why was he here for that horror story?
What, so I can end up just like y'all? Bro, just a reminder, that was Jerry that told that horror story. Bro, I am not having it.
hold up, I'll give it for you, Feathers.
Hey guys, I'm really disappointed that y'all literally didn't invite me to your campsite. Sorry about that, Stormfly. Really am. And didn't y'all have to talk about me about this crap? Why I didn't get invited? Well, you see, this shit you don't want to deal with. Oh yeah, that mimic dude. Yeah, I still don't trust him.
Well, everybody's cured. You should be there for that. Well, everybody except for the dude that literally just mimicked the phone rings. He's back to his same color.
So, wait, what's the do?
Not?
Bro, Talon, speak. In fact,
What happened to these? What happened to Feathers and Talon right now? Why are they both hugging each other? Still. Remember about that campsite 2 weeks ago, bro? Jerry told the horror story. But Feathers asked for it. You know, personally, I should be there for that horror story. Man, the only people that easily forgot was Jose and Garth. But not those two.
Bro. The story is still real.
So, yeah, excuse us. We have go.
Bro, that's what I was here for. I was kind of here for you, Feathers, but since Talon's hugging you, pretty sure y'all was too scared. Even though the story was like 2 weeks ago, and y'all still remember it.
I have perfect memory.
I mean, it's kind of true. Feathers and Jones Jr. and Bob's dog had perfect memory. Or I forgot they all Featherheads. They all have perfect memories. Yeah. That. Well, fellas, let's get your mind out of it. Let's go to the arcade.
Ooh, arcades. Now that's what I'm talking about.
Where's the truck? Come after us.
Dude, we're literally just gonna take the bus. Wait a minute, Starflight. Didn't you say that last time? We had to stand at the bus stop a whole day because it was a Wednesday. Well, guys, the arcade's a very public place. That haunted truck only hunts in a private road anyways.
Basically to the campsite?
Yeah. I guess. Look, let's get your heads out of it, bro. Let's just focus on some video games, laser tag. Come on, Noah can never say no to laser tag. Yeah, Stormfly, remember that time we saw that? Oh yeah, we're playing something else. Definitely playing something else. I would never go near that. Her CC's open.
I don't know, guys. They're all hackers. So I'm pretty sure I'm going to take this man out.
Oh, where's my first place at? You know me personally, fellas. I will not accept last.
Hold on. Last? Now I have you know that I've been playing the game forever. I am the most best player in the game.
So what about the point of Jerry though?
Oh, no, take it straight up, Els. You know me, I'm straight up first, no matter what.
So let me get this straight. You're basically calling yourself terrible? What do you think, Blue?
No, I'm not. I am the best, bro. Y'all just playing.
I was just playing with you, Feathers.
Oh, I see what y'all basically doing. Y'all calling me an L. And that's why I am a WINNER.
Bro, you are a CAP. Like, come on now, stop the cow. Wait a minute, bro. How in the world you got in Feathers' house? You know you gotta ring the doorbell, right? Wait a minute, hold on. For how many times this dude sneak up on me? And you telling me I had to ring the doorbell? No. Ain't no way, pal. Revenge.
Oh, you get your revenge, alright, buddy. Just wait till you get home.
Bro, Feathers, on me. If you spawn in my house, oh, it's over for you.
I wonder who even cares.
I'm gonna ruin your whole career. Hey, bro, he was just playing, man. Bro, let's go to the arcade so y'all can just chill out, have fun, alright? Alright, bet. Bet that up. And we're going straight to one of them games too, Feathers.
Oh, trust me, you do not want to say that twice.
Talon, you're coming?
Okay, guys.
Bro, the whole store was a prank. Are y'all serious right now? I was the main person screaming and blowing the horns while David said trick or treat. Are you serious right now?
You know, I can't believe this because I actually got both of you real good.
Look, fellas, I know, but it's a new year, new me, bro. Please do not beat up David, and please do not beat up Bob.
Don't worry. I'm finna get both of you.
Don't let me say a word. Don't be slim.
Oh, crap. Yo, guys, I see. Guys, why do I going up? Guys.
Well, that's crazy.
Nah, bro, you shouldn't have asked for it. No.
Get over here. Bye.
know both of them can actually get mad for being scared like that. I can't believe they forgot to tell him even it was a prank. Man, now they finna get beat up. This is crazy. Hey, bro, let's shoot some hoops.